coming out to Yosemite this year to try to see if we can catch the waterfalls at their peak. It looks like the water's jamming today. There are a lot of people here today to check out the water and waterfalls because of it being so full. But this is a waterfall that hardly anybody knows about. We're the only ones here. Wildcat Falls. Cool looking waterfall, but you kind of feel like a mosquito delicacy in here. Yep, I know some secret places around here. We were the only three at this waterfall. We've been sitting here probably, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. And we're the only ones here. The only ones besides a million mosquitoes. We're here to check out waterfalls, but you can't come by here without checking out Fern Spring. This is crazy how much water's coming up out of the ground, like a full-on stream just coming right up out of the ground. Incredible. The highest single drop waterfall in Yosemite, Ribbon Falls. Now it's time to check out Bridal Veil Fall. Surprisingly, there's not all that many people here compared to what we've seen before in the past, but the fall is jamming, that's for sure. Love this section of the trail where you walk right by the creek coming down here from the waterfall. Pretty cool. Alright, it's a little bit wet up here. It's like it's raining. Woo! What'd you think of that, man?
It was wet. That's what I thought of it. It was wet.
Was it fun?
30 seconds. It got wet.
You cool off quickly. It was fun though.
With all the crowds today and the water flow, I thought it would just be packed in here, but not too bad. Tunnel view time. So has anybody seen this view before? Oh yeah. Tour buses here. Silver Strand Fall. Now we're going to be checking out Cascade Falls from across the canyon. We were at the top of them on the bridge. Then we were at the bottom.
I'm a little under the weather today, but the weather is good, and I drove 3/4 of the way, and then Scott drove the last little bit so I could get a little more rest, and so I feel a little better than when I first started out.
Now we're across the canyon where we can see a lot more of it down in there. about almost a mile up here, it looks like. Coming over to check out the waterfall, and we're like on the edge. This is where we get a good burn in our legs going back up. Oh, yeah, steep. Whew. Time to check out Yosemite Falls. It's jamming. Beautiful out here walking across this meadow right here. Is this place amazing or what? Yeah, we're just cruising through Curry Village, or they call it Half Dome Village now, which, can you believe that? Since the 1800s, and they changed the name.